This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Victoria Eberhardt. Welcome to 96 Ferry Bend Trail, a modern retreat nestled in the scenic north end of Crossville, Tennessee. This stunning 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home boasts an open-concept floor plan, ideal for both relaxing and entertaining. The spacious living area flows seamlessly into a gourmet kitchen featuring granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and plenty of cabinet space. Natural light fills every corner, and the large backyard is perfect for summer BBQs or simply enjoying peaceful evenings outdoors. Living in Crossville offers the perfect balance of small-town charm and modern convenience. Known as the golf capital of Tennessee, Crossville provides residents with access to world-class golf courses, beautiful hiking trails, and numerous lakes for boating and fishing. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast or prefer the vibrant local arts scene, there's something for everyone. And with easy access to shopping, dining, and entertainment, you'll love the relaxed, yet engaging lifestyle Crossville has to offer. Don't miss your chance to experience the best of Tennessee living at 96 Ferry Bend Trail. For more information, review the details below or contact Victoria Eberhardt at 865-693-1111.